These two guys, great friends. And Golden kind of taking Sheldon under his wing as we get ready to go green flag racing back here at Barbagallo for race number 1.
And the good news is our safety crew and the officials have deemed that bridge is okay and we're all good to go racing here. So well done to everybody concerned as we continue on with race number 1 of the Speed Energy Stadium Super Trucks for the weekend. Down to turn 1 with Greg Gardner pushing Gavin Harlan to the inside here as they clear the first ramp with Ari Leindyke Jr. out in front.
Didn't we just say in the shootout that Gardner's not the kind of guy that'll move you around? We were wrong as Gardner gets into Harlan a little bit, trying to loosen them up and get them out of the way. As right now we're looking back at the RNG battery truck of Greg Gardner in the Fuchs number 410. Look at come to the inside. Morris. There goes Morris. We see him getting really aggressive. The number 1, the dude, moves to the inside, says, get out of the way, I'm moving to the front.
It's like a shark coming up to the back of the truck, wasn't he? Come out of nowhere in that number 1 and now moves himself into a podium position here and sets sail for the 3 guys ahead. This pack racing in the back with Hines, Potts, Gordon, and Travis Milburn, who was quickest in the shootout. Matt Brabham, he saw it 3 wide. With 3 wide into the bottom turn.
3 wide as Potts gets the Malachi crunch. Gordon's going to have to go wide. We got Milburn, he has to go to the inside. Both of them are forced to backpedal. You can't make up ground by missing a jump. Both of them probably backpedal. So you see how tough it is to pass here. When we're this far into the race, a few laps in already, and Brabham and Gordon are still fighting at the back of the pack, but normally they're making their way up as we're on board right now with the DeVilbiss driver of Brabham. So it is tough to pass out here unless you're Paul the Dude Morris, who has been moving up very quickly here, getting quite aggressive. So Paul Morris, he's in the Alabama Systems Commercial Hot Water Solutions truck, number 1, our 2017 champion. He's moving up. Brabham makes a spot.
He's made up 4 positions now, has Morris from 8th up to 4th. There's your leaderboard at the bottom of the screen as the Blackwood Strike Camp follows them around the short course at Barbagallo Raceway. Here comes Hoffman. Hoffman now starting to push Ari Leindyke Jr. 2 guys scheduled to have their first W next to their name in Speed Energy Stadium Super Trucks. As Cole Potts fancies a look down the inside of Gordon. Nothing doing at the final turn.
Now able to make it. Cole gets a little sideways here before the first ramp, able to collect himself. Gardner, he gets sideways over ramp number 2. Toyo Tires sending these guys high and flying high down the front stretch. Now we almost go 3 wide. It is Gordon. It is Milburn. It is Potts. Potts not letting them go. Milburn, our fast qualifier from just a